Hands-on training has long been recognized as an effective way for students to learn. With a hands-on approach, students engage more in their program's subject matter and immerse themselves in the material. Many students also benefit from increased learning retention, expanded critical thinking skills, and added motivation with hands-on learning. Porter & Chester Institute's hands-on training can help you get the skills and experience you need to start a new career. Our career programs feature lab hours, where students learn by doing on equipment they are likely to encounter in the field. If you're ready to use your hands to train for a new career, visit PorterChester.edu today for information about our programs and campuses.